on, guys? Welcome back. All right, so we got another unboxing here for you guys, and I'm excited about this, but when I just opened it, my little packaging from Amazon, it was wet. All right, so it's raining really bad here in South Florida, and it wasn't even in the rain that long actually. But the box is wet. You can still see the water and everything like that. Hopefully the water didn't seep through. Now, I was always thinking that those Amazon packages were pretty much waterproof, but it seems like it's not. All right, so I think this thing is probably going to be damaged. I hope it's not, but they're going to have to send me a replacement, okay? Simple as that. All right, I'm kind of scared to open it, but I'm going to open it so I can at least let them know if it is water damaged. All right, so with this mini game anniversary edition entertainment system, it simulates this Nintendo Entertainment System, the 8-bit console. All right, it is NTSL and also PAL employed universally. So if you guys have those types of TVs and things like that, it's not USB. Okay, it does not come with a USB connector, but we're gonna open up everything and we're gonna show you what it all has. Okay, so like I said, this is a simulation for the Nintendo Entertainment System. This is not made by Nintendo. It's made in China. And I got mine for, I've seen prices as low as $25. I got mine for $29 on Amazon. And I will put a link in the description for you guys if you want to purchase one just like this. Hopefully yours doesn't get wet. All right, so let's go ahead and open this thing up. And the box is going to Soge. You guys can see all this. I can't make this up, guys. I can't make it up. So it looks like everything is okay. All right, so it seems we got our AV cables here. You got the yellow, we got the red and the white. All right, and then we have our controllers. And they had another one on the this is the exact same. They had another one with 4 red buttons. I wanted the one that simulated the Nintendo Entertainment System as close as possible. So that's why I went with this one. All right, so that's what we got there. Another controller. That's a good deal to me. 620 games plus 2 controllers. Come on, guys. All right, and then we got the actual console itself. You're gonna put your control or your controllers right there. We got some buttons that work. We got reset and we got power, and then we have the entertainment system where we used to have to open this up to put our cartridge inside, but the games are built inside. This thing is lightweight. I mean, it's like almost like there's nothing inside. All right, so okay, we got the DC in and the AV out right here. But this is just almost a spitting image of the Nintendo Entertainment System. All right. Also inside the box, we have the mini classic console built-in 620 games list. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, I really want to play the old school Mario and the old school Double Dragon. That's the only 2 games I really want to play. Oh, Metroid also. And there's a lot of other games I want to play too. Okay. So you got to kind of like get a little magnifying glass just to read these games here. Unless you have some serious LASIK surgery. All right, then we got the user manual right here. I'm excited about this already, man. I'm glad that it's not wet. I'm still gonna report that it was wet just in case it doesn't work. But I'm still gonna, I got the video of it to prove. I ain't making it up. All right, so it's all good. All right, so let me go ahead and hook this thing up. I don't know if I can stream on this thing or anything like that, but I will definitely try. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing hooked up here, show you guys what we're working with, guys. Be right back. Yeah, so got it hooked up to the TV, got the old bootleg action going on right here, but it's all good. We got the gist of everything, but it's got Contra 1, Contra 2, 6, and all that. RoboCop, oh yeah. Now you can go one by, go down and it'll go through each page, or looks like you can go left and right and it'll go by 10. Got Mortal Kombat 4, never heard of it. Mario, Snow Brothers, Hot Blood. All right, so let me see. Final Mission. I never heard of half of these games. Ninja Gaiden. Oh ho ho! Chippendale. There's a lot of these games I never heard of. Some of them I have. I've had some of them. Snow Bros, Spider-Man, Batman, Golf War, Power Ranger. What? You know what I'm looking for. Oh, they got Akari? I think that's Akari Warriors. Wampum, Warwolf. Oh, they got Burger Time, boy. I used to kill it in Burger Time. Oh wait, where'd it go? How do you? What? Oh my God, what happened? Guess you gotta hit B. I'm hitting A. Yeah, Donkey Kong. Oh, they got Excite Bike, guys. How in the hell? I guess you gotta hit start. Oh my God. Oh no. All right, we're back at the Ninja Gaiden. I don't really know what you gotta do. Let me just cycle through here real quick. Airwolf. Oh man, I used to play the hell out of that game, boy. All right, we're back on track. I think it's I want to get Burger Time, man. Oh, you hit start. Okay, cool. So you find what you gotta find, and then you hit start. Zoom in here a little bit. We gotta do this bootleg. I apologize, but it's all good, man. Oh yeah, let's go. One player, sucker. I got the sounds and everything. Let me turn the sound up. Oh man, the egg's about to eat me, man. I forgot what I gotta do. But I think you gotta drop the patties and everything like that. Yeah. Hope you can catch them underneath. Yeah, that's it. Come on, sucker. Oh shoot, I'm about to get eaten up. Boy. Oh, they're moving quick, boy. But not quick enough. Come on, mofos. Yeah, buddy. Oh, snap. Oh, I couldn't move. I couldn't move. Okay, so I can't backtrack. I'm gonna try to get this guy too. Oh, snap. Yeah, I'm eating again. All right, so it is a little bit kind of off a little bit as far as the control speed. Dang. But you know, this is back 8-bit back in the day. Like 1988. Yeah, eat them up. I can't move. I'm stuck. All right, that wasn't me, guys. I just couldn't move. Got me messed up, bro. I got this camera in my way too, so I really can't see. Yeah. We're gonna die. How many players I got? That's my last player? Oh, I got one left. I've got one left right here. Alright, if we get this one burger, we can pass the level, I'll be good. Good and happy, man. Yeah, it's not going, man. These controls are not that great. Ah! Blasphemy. Alright, so that's that one. How do we get out of here? I guess I'll go for another round. Let's go. But I used to play this game for hours. I think the controls aren't really that great. They're okay. Oh, he's going down. Come on, man. Go. I think I gotta be a little more forceful with this controller, man. We'll play with the other one. I think this controller might be bad. That's alright. I'm disputing this anyway. Might have gotten damaged in the water. But you guys get the idea. This is pretty much what we used to have to play, kids. Oh, you guys got these. Well, okay, so that side's not working. That's what it is. My right button's not working. My God, man. I might have to switch the controller. They owe me a controller, man. It's not moving. I am pushing it like a champ. And my hand is hurting. Come on, sucker, go. Get him. I don't suck that bad, boy. Go. Yeah. Get the other controller open up. Making me look bad over here, boy. I'm a pro at this game. Can't get this one open up fast enough. All right, seems like it's gonna be okay. This controller's better. Yeah, buddy. Seems like it. Watch the left side not work. All right, it's got a little bit more oomph. They owe me a controller. That's all there is to it. Oh shoot! Can't see it. The camera's in the way, man. God. Keep going, sucker. Oh man, go. Yeah, the left side's messed up. Dang. Ugh. Look at the ice cream, man. Come on, y'all fall down there. Go, go, go. Oh, we're not gonna win this level. So there's like a little bit of a delay. Not too much mentionable, but it is a little bit. Aye. Oh, go get him. Why did it not drop on him? Oh, this is so stupid. Get him! Get him! Oh, we're about to get eaten up. Oh, I ran into him. He was going down. No! All right, guys, this is the coup de grace. This is what I wanted to play. Yeah, buddy. I'm definitely gonna order the AV to HDMI cable. Actually, I already ordered it. I'm gonna go ahead and for sure get it. Yeah, man. Well, this is gonna be Team No Sleep. Make sure you guys drop a like on this video. Hope you guys did enjoy. Hopefully it gave you guys some kind of insight as to what you're gonna possibly get with this. I think the price is right. Would I buy another one? Hell yeah. I'm gonna keep one for my room, and I have one here for... Oh, I just messed that all up. But it's all good though. But either way, guys, thanks so much for watching. See you on the next one. Peace.